Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is... And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from...
Singapore!
That's right, Singapore. This is a box from Prima Taste. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh boy! A box, but look, it's your favorite. Pops. There you go. Jump up and down. Well, she's going to be jumping up and down for hours, so that's cool. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, what do we have here? Wow! That's cool. I was telling one of the folks over at Prima Taste that I was looking for Chinese New Year's stuff, so this is rad. Thank you. Hey, wait. What's this? Hey, put it back. Put it back. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is something new. Hot pot soup base.
Wow!
Wow! Rich and tasty prawn stock simmered for hours to bring out the robust flavor. That sounds good. Thank you.
Oh my!
Ooh, what's this? This is from Prima Deli. I don't know what it is. Let's see what's in here, Mimi.
Okay.
Mimi's off messing with packing peanuts or packing stuff. Oh wow!
Oh wow!
Look!
More!
Treats! Should we have a treat? These are, what do we got here? Supreme pineapple tarts and pandan, oh wow, pandan chiffon cookies. We're gonna try the pandan. And these are neat little boxes. Check this out. They pop open like that. You want to try?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, look.
Wow.
Little cookies.
Little cookies?
Yeah, I'm in the mood for a cookie. Whoa. Let's try. Let's see if Mimi will actually try. Cookie. Here, come over here. You want to try it? That was very nice. Thank you. Here, come and have a bite. Here you go. No? You're not going to try it? Well, I'll try it. Mmm.
More cookies.
Those are super good. Thank you very much.
Here.
Shall we open this one? Hey, good job. Alright, let's see what these are. These are Supreme Pineapple Tarts. You want to try? Well, leave that one in. We only need to take one out. You want to try?
No.
No?
You try.
Oh, I'm more than happy to try.
Try.
You gotta start trying things. Oh, wow. Look at these. Is this a little thing over? Bite?
No.
No? Okay. Mmm. Wowee. Oh man. Bye-bye, diet. I'm gonna eat all these. Wow. All right.
I got it.
Thank you very much. They sent me these pineapple tarts before, and they're so freaking good. Wow. Here's the, wow, this is a big thing. And of course they sent some noodles. They're black pepper crabs. They're original laksa. Their whole grain laksa, which is number 1 on the Ramen Raiders Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2019 edition, and the 3 ones subsequent to that. Their curry whole grain, which has been on the top 10 for ages as well. Their chili crab noodle. Their curry noodle. Whoa, this is gonna fall down. And finally, their prawn soup. Holy moly, that's a lot of noodles. All right, well, thank you very much for sending all this along. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And Happy New Year. Very cool. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Happy day.
Have a good one.
Bye.